Huh? Whoa! Close. Here, I'll swing you softer, okay?
I got that on videotape. She's like, screw this, I'm done.
Slide? You want to go down the slide?
I have this. I'm recording, Mark, so for Mom and Dad.
Go down the slide.
Kaylin, look at Mommy and smile.
Come on.
Hey. Hey, smile.
Which slide are you going to go down?
Here.
You can go down that slide?
Come on.
Hold on, wait, Caitlin, don't move. Okay, ready to go down the slide?
Yeah.
Go down this slide. Get in there.
Come get Mommy.
Get in there. Daddy will catch you. Get in. Get in. Get in. Now get in the slide. You gonna catch her if I send her down?
Can you catch her?
Can you send her down? Oh. Come on, slide.
Come on.
Come on, slide.
Hey, smile and wave to Papa.
Can you go down again? You gonna climb? You gonna climb up there? Go ahead, climb. Climb. Come on.
If you get stuck, I might call 911. Mark. I swear.
Yeah.
Let her go down this one. Tell her to go down this one, Owen. I want Mom and Dad to see.
There you go.
Hey. Kaylin. Guess what? Look. Look at the camera. Here comes Daddy. Run.
I'm gonna get you.
Holy crap, is it cold.
Here, come on. Stand at the end of it. Here, ready? Put your feet in. Okay, here she comes. You ready?
Yeah.
You might have to catch her.
Come on. Whee! She's like...
Is that fun? Is it fun? Come on.